India's economy is navigating a turbulent global environment. But how well are we actually doing? Let's break down the most important highlights from the Reserve Bank of India's annual report for the year 24-25. From inflation to GDP growth to financial stability, here's what you need to know. Globally, 2024 was a mixed year. While economic growth continued, it was uneven. Geopolitical tensions, trade wars, and fragmented markets created uncertainty. Commodity prices eased and inflation came down due to earlier interest rate hikes, but risks still loom large over emerging market economies like India. India stood tall with resilient GDP growth driven by robust domestic demand and public capital spending. Inflation gradually eased throughout the year and stayed within the RBI's target range thanks to improved supply chains and proactive monetary policy. The key takeaway: India is one of the fastest growing large economies in the world. Our banking sector continued to strengthen. Gross non performing assets dropped further. Capital buffers remained solid and digital transactions soared. The Unified Payment Interface, that is UPI, crossed record levels, reinforcing India's fintech leadership globally. RBI maintained a cautious yet flexible stance. Even though global financial markets were volatile, India's financial system remained stable. What helped? Prudent regulation, strong foreign exchange reserves, and a sharp focus on inflation management. Looking ahead, RBI emphasizes the need to balance growth and inflation. Structural reforms, public digital infrastructure, and green finance are on the radar. India's future growth will hinge on technological innovation, infrastructure expansion, and inclusive development. So, what does all this mean for you? You can expect a stable inflation, continued push for digital banking, more government spending on infrastructure, as India is gearing up for a smart, secure, and sustainable economic future. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends preparing for banking exams or anyone who wants to stay financially informed. Until next time, stay curious, stay aware.